let's start with chapter 8, that is festival. So as you know that India is a land of festival. Here different festivals are celebrated which show rich culture of our nation. So let's learn about few important festival. I will tell you about some national festival, religious festival and your harvest festival. What are national festival? National festivals are the festival that are celebrated by the people all over the world. Basically, we have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Right? And religious festival are the festivals that are celebrated by the people of different religion. Right? Now, what festival brings lot of happiness in our life, and they are occasion of fun and joy. We celebrate three types of festival: national, religious, and harvest. First, let's talk about national festival, which is celebrated by the Indians all together throughout the country. Independence Day. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. As our country got independence from the British rule on this date, 1947. So the Prime Minister of our country hosts the national flag recolor at Red Fort in New Delhi. And what he do? He address the country. Next is Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th of January 1950. Indian become Republic and it is celebrated as Republic Day. Every year, a grand parade is held, which takes place from Rajpath to India Gate in Delhi. Right? People from all the state schools, children, folk dances, and armed forces participate to make this parade grand and colorful. The President of India takes a salute of the parade. Next, Gandhi Jayanti. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. Right? And the people pay homage at Rajghat, where the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is there. And Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president, and your Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of our country. Right? Here some question has been given. Now we will move to the next status religious festival, Diwali, which is the festival of light. It is celebrated by the people. It is celebrated by the people all over the country. And what do people do? They decorate their house, people clean their house, and we bought firecrackers on this day, and we worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi over there. Right here, what happened? It's marked the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14-year exile. Diwali is for festival of light, and we decorate our places with diyas and candles. Diyas are earthen lamps. People worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess. Then we have Holi, which is known as festival of colors. Right? What children do, they throw colors on each other and wish happy Holi to everyone. And what do we do on the eve of Holi? What happened? Bonfire to mark the victory of truth over evil. A special sweet dish. Its name Gunjia is prepared over here. Now Christmas. What we do? We celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year to mark the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ. Christians celebrate this festival by decorating their house with candles, colorful light, Christmas tree. They go for the church to offer prayer. They sing Christmas carols and exchange gifts. Then we have Eid, which is the festival which is celebrated by Muslims. They wear new clothes, and a special sweet dish, the Sevaiya, is prepared over here, and they wish each other Eid Mubarak. Then we have Guru Parv. The birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Parv. The Gurudwaras are decorated on this day, and what do people do? They offer their prayers over here. And possessions are taken out on this day, and food is served free for all the people in the community, which is known as Langar. If we talk about the largest mosque, that is Jama Masjid, about 1 lakh people can offer namaz over here. Then we have Harvest Festival. When the crops are ripe and ready to cut, we celebrate Harvest Festival. Like Lohri is celebrated at the time of harvest in Punjab. It is the time when the farmers harvest sugarcane on the large scale. Sugarcane juice is made into jaggery, which is used for making sweets for the celebration, and the farmers celebrate the festival by singing and dancing. Now Pongal, harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal, celebrated for 3 days by worshipping the rain, sun and cattle. A dish prepared for the rice jaggery is called Pongal. People celebrate this festival by feasting, giving gifts and visiting homes. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. It is celebrated 3 times in a year. Then we have Onam, which is the annual harvest festival of Kerala. State boat is held during this popular festival. Right? So we have World Religion Day also, which is celebrated on the third Saturday of January. Now, some question has been given over here. You have to answer that. Now our chapter has been completed. That's all for today. Thank you.